Hey guys, this is Maggie from Keheng Battery. We are lithium battery manufacturer. Today I will like talking about 12V100 in our battery. The Keheng 12V100 battery is in a group 31K, so it will fit right where your old battery is previously set. Built with living iron force field lifepo4 technology. This battery has advanced Bluetooth technology. You can find the KHBNS app in the app store to view your battery voltage and capacity right from your smartphone. We use only grade A cell with 5 years warranty. The most advanced BNS systems, the tough internal structure making our batteries the safest and most reliable batteries on the market today. For more details, please feel free to contact me. Thank you. Bye.